Hey guys, Dave from KTM Performance here. Today I'm going to show you a new little product that we're going to be adding to our website this week. It's a Firewall grommet plate for your shifter cable. If you run like an older car like this one or a shop car, you have to drill holes through the firewall for your cables to go through like this one, and leaves a big gap, and it's not safe for fire or fuel leak whatsoever. And this will seal it up nicely. So we're gonna install it quickly, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'll just take the 4-corner bolt, remove the rubber. We're gonna slide it over the cables. And you wanna set it in the middle. Make sure you cover your holes. I'm gonna put a little level on top there to make sure it's straight, and I'm gonna mark my holes. So position in the middle there, wherever you wanna put it. Like it there, I'm gonna use this little level, mark my holes. Use the center punch. Then take a 1/4-inch drill. Take the rubber, I like to put it in between like that, and take it like by the corners and like twist it over, like that. It's a tight fit, all right? That's how we made it. See how it flares out? When you put it in the bracket, it's really gonna squeeze it. So get the lower corners in. Try to put 2 bolts in there, so it's gonna hold itself a little bit. And take a flat blade, come from the top, and squeeze the corner in. It gets in there, you know? Then put your last 2 bolts. And then we're gonna go inside, put the back plate. So guys, we got our plate there. This is the back plate. It has riv nuts in it. Just makes it way cleaner install and just putting washers and nuts. So we're gonna go inside. You might want to have a buddy with you to hold the plate to at least get one of the bolts started. During the install, we noticed that if it's not a fresh shifter install, you're gonna need to remove the cables on the shifter side or pull the cable in the car, slide it through this plate. So what we did, we just went and we cut the lower part of this back plate so it can go over the cable without removing them. So it still fit nicely in the back of the Firewall. Just a quick tip. We're just gonna slide that over our bolts. Let's get it started. So now that the back plate is there, you just gotta come from the engine bay side and get all the bolts tight. Corner to corner, So that's it, guys. Our Firewall shifter grommet plate is installed. Looks so much better, so much cleaner, and even safer. It's going to be available on the website. Make sure to check it out. See you on the next one.